How to fix yellow triangle on internet icon on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix yellow triangle on your internet icon on your Windows device. So the yellow icon basically means that the network is not available or there is some kind of error on the network. So if you want to fix it, this is what you do. First of all, open up your control panel. Search for control panel and open it up. On your control panel, you'll find the network and internet option. Tap on it and there you will see your different options. What you can do is you can head over to your network and sharing center, and right there you'll find your Wi-Fi and other stuff. So what you'll need to do is tap on your Wi-Fi connection right here, and after you open that up, head over to its properties. Tap on properties and this should open up. So right here you will need to search for your Internet Protocol version 4. This one right here, you can double tap on it and this will open up. So right here you'll need to make sure that this option is not enabled. Make sure that you have been using obtain an IP address automatically option. Make sure that the DNS server is also set automatically, and after that you can tap on OK and you're basically good to go. But now why we do this is when you are using the following IP address, it can sometimes clash with other IP address which are same to yours. So in that case, we'll obtain an IP address automatically that the router or AP provides to you. So just do that, tap on OK, and basically close this up. If you want, you can also restart your device once, and with that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.